Hello, Phil Plourd, Head of Market Intelligence for Ever.Ag Insights. Please be sure to read the disclaimer at the end of this video. Okay, we're back to talk about Phil Plourd's Monday Morning Demand Notes. That's right, every Monday we publish data, news, analysis, tidbits about the consumer and industry trends we think matter for the markets we cover. This week, inflation is the central topic. And there's three different dimensions to the conversation. The first is November's headline number came in at plus 2.7%. That was up from plus 2.6% in October, so a little hotter, but it was perfectly in line with expectations. Yet at the same time, when you dive in and look at the internals, look at some of the different subcategories, I still see pretty heavy inflation in areas that I call the unavoidables. For example, transportation, plus 7%, housing, plus 4%. Electricity up more than 3%. So a lot of the costs that we can't avoid from month to month are skewing above that headline number. And I still think that has consumers caught in a vice. It's problematic. The second dimension concerns the Fed's path on interest rates. This marked the 45th month in a row where headline inflation was above the Fed's target rate of 2%. Yet we're still talking about interest rate cuts. Seems likely that it's going to happen. And while I get it from maybe a preventative basis and some other conversations, I'm also concerned that we could wittingly or unwittingly light the fuse that sets inflation higher anew. And that would be even more problematic than what we're seeing here in the recent past. And third, along the same lines, I'm starting to wonder about more wide-scale commodity price inflation. You have China taking measures to add stimulus to its economy. You have other central banks cutting rates. You have the US Fed in line. So are we on the precipice of setting off a major commodity price rally that includes ags, industrials, and other sectors? We haven't seen it in a while, but the big funds have gone from big net shorts to somewhat smaller long position in the ag commodities. It's something to keep an eye on in the months ahead.